रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज लिमिटेड की आज 49वीं एनुअल जनरल मीटिंग हुई। इस खास मौके पर रिलायंस के सीएमडी मुकेश अंबानी ने कई बड़े ऐलान किए, जिसमें जियो के आईपीओ को मंजूरी भी मिली है। वहीं अपने संबोधन में मुकेश अंबानी ने कहा कि ऊर्जा और एआई में आत्मनिर्भरता राष्ट्रीय मिशन बनाना होगा। साथ ही मुकेश अंबानी ने प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के 12 साल के कार्यकाल पूरे होने पर उन्हें बधाई भी दी है।
Commitment to shared growth was deeply personal to Dhirubhai. It is equally sacred to me. Imbibed in the same spirit, Isha, Akash and Anant are heading the Jio IPO process and will lead the next generation of value creation opportunities in the future. The proposed listing of Jio will demonstrate to the world that India can build technology companies of global scale, global capability, and global value. I assure you and all prospective new investors that a brighter future awaits Jio. Our beloved Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Bhai Modi ji, on achieving the stupendous feat of becoming the longest serving elected Prime Minister of India. Later this year, on the 7th of October, he will complete 25 uninterrupted years in public office, first as Chief Minister of Gujarat and then as Prime Minister of India. Over these years, the number of votes he has polled is by far the largest by any leader in the democratic world. We congratulate him on this remarkable milestone in public service. His vision for India's growth and the corresponding execution plan have been instrumental in the rapid all-around growth India has witnessed over the last decade.